Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, if you love Krishna, there will be no distraction like the material things. Either you love him as your master. Here, master, so long you are serving, the master is pleased. And the servant is pleased so long you are paying. But in the spiritual world there is no such thing. If I cannot serve under certain condition, then master is pleased. And the servant also, the master does not pay, he is also pleased. That is called oneness, absolute. That is, this example is here. There are so many students in this institution. We are not paying anything, but they do everything for me. This is spiritual relations. Then Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, when he was in London, his father gave him the Motilal Nehru 300 rupees for keeping a servant. Then once he went to London, so he saw that the servant is not there. That the Pandit said, "Where is your servant?" He said, "No, what is the use of servant? I have nothing to do. I do it personally." No, I wanted that an Englishman should be your servant. So he has to pay for it. This is an example. I have got hundreds and thousands of servants, but I haven't got to pay. This is spirituality. This is spiritual relationship. They are serving not for being paid. What I have got, I am poor Indian. What can I pay? But the servant is out of love, spiritual love. And I am also teaching them without any salary. This is spiritual. Purnasya Purnamada. Everything is full. So if you accept Krishna as your son, as your friend, as your lover, you will never be cheated. So try to accept Krishna. Give up this false, illusory servant or son or father or lover. You will be cheated. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama